Your LG WebOS TV can handle the World Cup without a streaming stick if you set it up before kickoff. The clean setup is the right app stack. Those apps pinned on the home row, AirPlay ready as a fallback, and picture settings checked before the match starts. The article's core app stack is Fox One, Peacock, and Tubi. Fox One is listed at $19.99 a month for every match in English. Peacock is listed at $7.99 a month for all 104 matches in Spanish. Tubi is the free fallback for the opening ceremony and 2 group stage matches. Install them from the LG Content Store. On WebOS 4.0 and later, open the Home Launcher, search Fox One, Peacock, and Tubi, choose Install, then pair each app with the code shown on the TV. After installation, pin the apps. Long press each tile in the launcher and move Fox One, Peacock, Tubi, and LG channels to the front row. This saves you from searching with a remote while a match is already starting. LG Channels is useful, but do not treat it as a match rights app. LG's own help article says LG Channels has more than 300 live channels with no sign-up. It is good for free sports-adjacent programming, but it does not carry Fox or Telemundo Live World Cup broadcasts. If an app misbehaves, AirPlay is your backup. LG says select 2018 or newer LG TVs support AirPlay 2. Enable AirPlay in Home Dashboard, then mirror from an iPhone or iPad while you fix the native app later. For picture quality, check the panel and mode. The article says, a 2020 or newer LG OLED or QNED can drive the Fox 4K HDR feed. Use Cinema Home or Filmmaker mode and turn off energy saving before judging brightness. If an app is stuck loading, start with the boring fix. Unplug the LG TV for 60 seconds, then delete and reinstall the stuck app. If WebOS still feels sluggish on an older set, a current streaming stick is the practical upgrade. The full LG WebOS World Cup setup, app prices, AirPlay steps, 4K HDR checks, and app fix ladder are on smarttvs.org.